Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, beautiful day, and I wanted to make the most of it. So I've decided to come down for the last couple of hours of the daylight to Barnwell Country Park to check out what's going on in the hide. So, obviously last time I was down here, it was the 17th September, it was the day I lost my mum. So, yeah, just gonna go check out what wildlife there is. No topic or anything this week. I'm just literally heading to the hide to photograph some birds. Stick with us, we'll crack on. Okay, so all set up now. I brought the gimbal head out, the K&F concept gimbal head, mounted onto a monopod. I've just used one of Brian's legs. I kind of just decided to wing it once I was down here. So I've just got a bit of stability. Looks a bit different, probably due to all the rain we had recently. This area is definitely a lot more flooded than it was, although it does look like it's also been cut back a bit as well, to be fair. I can hear quite a bit of chit chat from the birds, but I've got myself all set up. As I say, camera's all set up, ready to go. I've got my coffee, I've got a Kit Kat chunky for a snack, got my phone, not that I've got any phone signal here. So yeah, stick around, just got to wait to see if any birds turn up. Oh, nuthatch. Well, I'm starting to get a bit bored and it's all just gone a bit manic. Yeah, blue tit, great tit, but most importantly, the nuthatch is back. I didn't see him last time I came down here, but I saw him the first time and I've seen him this time as well. So, yeah, it's actually not been too bad. I say, it was a really slow start to the evening. And then things just went a bit crazy. Great tit's back. Give us a moment. I've lost him. There he is. Yeah, it's all right. It's not going to win any awards, let's put it that way. He's kind of out on a... So they've got the stumps and stuff set up here. He's kind of on the edge of the stump and he was just kind of had his back to us. I quite like the framing initially. Now he's on the move. He's gone onto the floor. Oh, he's back. And he's gone. He's actually flown off this time. Yeah, I quite like the framing on it, but it just didn't look right on the back of the camera. So yeah, realistically, all in all, so far so good. So I can see there's quite a lot of movement as well in the bushes and the trees at the back. Just need them to come forward for me. Step up. We've got lovely evening light again casting out over the stumps and branches and perch. That's the word I was looking for, the perches that they've set up for them. Got quite a bit of overgrowth at the back still. Still quite a few leaves on the old trees back there and all. But yeah, I'll stick those pictures up now. And yeah, see if any of those great tit ones actually came out all right. Okay, so you might notice I've just lowered the camera down a bit because there was a great tit landed in the trees just behind, and because of the aperture of the in the hide, the apertures in the hide, and the height of the benches, it makes it really difficult to see up that high. And I had to drop the camera quickly, flick the back screen out, and yeah, get some shots. Now I think I've actually got quite a nice natural shot. The problem I've had is that the breeze has picked up, which is really strange, and it was blowing the tree around. And because I've got the camera set up on the monopod and gimbal head, I actually had the shutter down at 1/500th of a second to keep the ISO down. Hopefully the movement of the wind hasn't actually, the movement of the branch in the wind hasn't actually resulted in an unsharp shot. So yeah, do you know what? I never thought I would see the day that I could just sit in a hide and enjoy it. I haven't usually got the patience for stuff like this. I mean, this is a particularly good hide. I really like this one. It is quite local to me, as I say, and they've got the nice perch set up. And yeah, just sat around eating my Kit Kat chunky. I've had half of it now, and as I say, that shot just happened to turn around. But yeah, I think I need to spend more time in the hides. I definitely do. There's a lot of reasons why hides are a real benefit. So anyway, I'm going to go back to the photography side of things, and yeah, see what else turns up. Okay, a couple more shots then. So an opportunistic squirrel decided to make an appearance, and you know me, I won't miss an opportunity to photograph a squirrel. It's still down there, but I wanted to get some nice portrait shots while he was so close and not paying a blind bit of attention to me. I thought I'd utilise that rather than my squirrels, who love to come up and take peanuts off me. This guy wasn't interested. He wasn't even fazed by my presence at all. And then, while I was taking pictures of the squirrels, gorgeous little chaffinch came down with his rosy red tummy, and yeah, grabbed some shots of him as well. Just a couple of nicely framed portraits. They're not, again, none of these shots today are going to be award-winning shots in any way, shape or form, but you know what, it's just great to come out and just sit and take these pictures. See the array of birds. I mean, that's a great tit, blue tit, nuthatch, squirrel, chaffinch. All quite common, but yeah, I'm happy. I'm smiling. That's the thing, these hides started to rub off on me. Let's have a look at those pictures. Okay, so I'm going to sign out now. I've left the hide because the light had gone off the perches, and I just wanted to utilise the very last of sunset. And as you can probably hear, there's quite a few birds around, but I can't see any. It's really frustrating, including a kite call as well, but I haven't seen them. But I thought I'd just come for a quick 2-minute bimble before I sign out, just to see if I see anything. The light has just dipped down a bit too low now, and yeah, it's a little bit frustrating, but I haven't seen anything anyway. I can just hear everything. So yeah, well, yeah, as I say, I've currently got you guys perched on a bench, just in case I needed to run off with the camera, but yeah, I never thought I'd become one of those people to sit in a hide for a while. There you go, never thought it would happen. Right, but anyway, obviously, if you like the video, give us the old thumbs up, drop some subscribes from down the bottom, and this is my account. Take care and be safe, everyone. Peace.